So I'm Hannah from Lily's Ladies Cleaning Services. We're a specialist cleaning company, and I actually found Neil through Screenpop Networking. So I found my website. I'd maybe get a couple of inquiries a month, maybe a fortnight, through just domestic clients, whereas I'm trying to go into the specialist cleaning that we do. Like I said, I met him at the Screenpop Networking, had a quick chat. He jumped into my inbox, and within 24 hours, I think I had an invoice, documents what we're doing, and that was where it was off. Whatever he is doing my SEO, working 110%. As I said, he's paying for himself each month, and everything's working great with him. I'm now getting companies that are hour away, 2 hour away, that are needing larger jobs, and they're coming through the website, obviously being ranked higher up on Google. As I said before, he's just paying for himself now. The work's just flowing in nicely off there. Highly recommend. I'd recommend him anywhere I go.